What's cracking, YouTube? We are cash flow fam, Target Freight buyers and Target Freight resellers. And in this channel, what we do is we buy Target by the truckload and we resell it. If you're looking to get into Target pallet reselling, you found the right channel. So we're gonna bring you guys along. We're gonna break down this truck, and then you guys will get to see what really comes out on these truckloads. Thank you guys for joining.
Good morning, guys. It's been such a long time. Today is Monday, August 19th. We just received our truckload in. After a long time, we were just buying half truckloads. But now we got the full truckload. The good thing is that I think we were there first in the morning. There wasn't no competition, nobody there. So we were able to get first dibs. So far, this is how it looks. This whole pallet is nothing but like diapers and just baby stuff, which is cool because that always sells. And we got a bike, a cool bike, 2 rugs, more diapers, and then all the brown boxes. Obviously, we don't know what they have. But I see a lot of diapers all around, fans, which is cool because it's still hot. It's really hot. We had just had our 75% off sale, so our warehouse is a bit empty. So the merchandise was much needed. But I'll do a short thing every day just to keep you guys updated and to show you guys what we've gotten so far. Hi guys, hope everybody is doing great. Yesterday we totally forgot to film, so this is the 3rd day. Today's Wednesday. We came in a little bit earlier because we've been leaving here so late, because we've been coming in late because it's just been super hot. We still have about 14 more to do, if I'm not mistaken. 14 or 16? 14 more to do. Pretty much done on this side, but right now when my husband's cousin come, he's gonna pull all these out just because I can't, because they're heavy. But so far what's came out today that's been kind of cool is this. Let me show you guys. This Disney's Lego Snow White, and it's factory sealed, so I'm sure that's gonna be worth money. We've been getting a lot of packaged underwear, a lot of diapers, tons of diapers, a lot of health and beauty stuff, but the major thing has been packed underwear. Still got to do all that. I'll show you guys the front. It's a little bit dark. But I brought totes from the house and we've been separating. That's all kids. This first one, and that other second one is all men's. Let me see. Let me turn the light on. And we've been slowly like putting stuff in here to restocking everything all over again. But yeah, guys, we'll keep you guys updated to show you guys anything cool that comes out. Good morning, guys. So today is dump day. Frank was unable to come with me, so my sister came with me. We're gonna be dumping all the trash. It's a full van.
What's cracking, YouTube? And it is now Thursday evening from this 24 pallet truck. Let me show you guys what's came out so far and how many pallets we still have left for tomorrow. So there's this one here. That's 1, 2, 3. This is the final one that Hector and I were working on. And then there's, so that's 4, and then my sister-in-law and Letty were working on that one back there. So that would be the last 5 pallets. But so far some good stuff has came out. A lot of diapers, We got a little bit of trash. We did get a lot of underwear. A lot of diapers, like we said. We got a lot of diapers. See, underwear, baby stuff, fans, air beds. This is all the underwear and socks. Bunch of shoes. A few Shark vacuums, mirrors. Nah, that's cute looking. These are 4 boxes of shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this is all clothing. The bike came out as well. And here's all the other stuff that you get it and price it. So there's this one left to do, and this is all cardboard. We have someone coming to pick that up tomorrow. So we should be finishing up with this truck possibly tomorrow, Friday, and then we'll give you guys another video with all of it all being displayed. Got a lot of these motherfuckers. Oh, what is that? Paw Patrol?
Paw Patrol.
This one came out as soon as we opened the box. Pretty cool. There's blankets. This is how typically the brown boxes come filled. See, there's blankets, there's deodorants, there's bags. It's a nice bag. Rugs. It's a nice rug. Really well quality. What is up, YouTube? And we're back. It is now Friday and the full truck is broken out. We're about to do our video for the sale, but I figured, well, let me practice with the YouTube one and show what you guys what we got, and then that way when I do my Instagram video showing what we have, it's like I rehearsed it. So let me show YouTube what we got. Elton John pillow, glasses, rugs. That's how many came in a truckload. We got a whole case of these jump starters. They retail for, what would that be, $70. I seen them on eBay going for about the same price with shipping, so we figured we'd just sell them here for half off. More of this native Girl Scout cookie stuff has came out. Calculators, pillows, cell phone stuff. We restocked on that. This is all undershirts. I'm doing the YouTube video first one. So that's our rugs, and then that's all curtains. So it's 5 days of breaking down. These 3 boxes is shoes. And then look at all these other shoes we got. So quite a few shoes came out. Bedding always comes out. Toys come out as well. Mirrors. Just a whole mixture of stuff. So if you're ever buying pallets and you get a consistent, like a lot of these, is because you're probably getting pallets that are bought by someone else. You should be getting a mixture of all kinds of merchandise, not one consecutive item. See, look at these. This is pretty cool. Air mattresses always sell as well. We still got to clear this out tomorrow. Look at that. Ziploc bags, pillows, trash cans, bedding, shoes, Jersey mics. I'm just kidding, no sandwich. Then we get makeup as well. We priced that at half off. And then up here we got a bunch of diapers. More toys. We got lots of underwear. Quite a few bins of underwear, packaged underwear. Took a lot of time to tape it up and package it like that. We did get a pillow. So a few backpacks. Again, all of this will be cleared out tomorrow for before our sale. So that's pretty much it. Do you want to add anything to the video, Ben? Nothing you want to say? You're tired? Tired and pregnant? You want to say peace out then, YouTube? See you in the next video.
Peace out, YouTube. See you guys on the next video.
The man is an enterprise. Cali crime, rhymes around South Centralized. The Henny got me energized. Smoking guys trying to focus on minds. Poke their eyes out. I'm LA's locusts. Hope they don't have to find out the hard way.